Welcome to Odia education tutorial. In this video, we learn an English essay. Our village. The name of our village is Gurgaon. It is situated in Mayurbhanj district. There are 1,000 people in our village. Most of the people of our village are farmers. Our village is near the river side. They live in small houses and eat simple food. There is a big well in our village. There is a Shiv temple in our village. There is a post office, a police station, a high school in our village. I love my village very much. This much like, share and comment our video. Thank you.